Gazelle Tent's T8 Hub Tent is a fantastic choice for campers who prioritize a quick and easy setup. This instant pop-up tent boasts a setup time of only 90 seconds, ideal for those who want to spend less time assembling the tent and more time enjoying their adventure. Designed with spaciousness in mind, the T8 Hub Tent can comfortably sleep 4 to 8 people. This makes it a perfect option for families or large groups. If you have fewer people but a lot of gear, the T8 Hub Tent's ample space can easily accommodate your belongings. Here's a breakdown of the T8 Hub Tent's full details. Easy 90-second setup. The tent's hub design allows for an incredibly fast setup process. With a few quick pops and extensions, you'll have your tent ready in no time. Sleeps 4 to 8 people. With a spacious interior, the tent offers enough room for sleeping up to 8 people. Waterproof shell. Alpcour Portable Toilet is a portable sanitation solution designed for camping, RVing, boating, and other outdoor activities where access to a permanent toilet is limited. It comes in 2 variants. Alpcour Portable Toilet Seat. This is a folding toilet seat that can be placed over a bucket or camping commode. It's lightweight, compact, and features built-in bag hooks for waste disposal. Alpcour Compact Portable Toilet. This is a self-contained toilet with a flushable waste tank and a freshwater tank. It features a pump flush system, a built-in spout for easy waste disposal, and a detachable seat for added comfort. Portable and convenient. Both versions of the Alpcour toilet are foldable and lightweight, making them easy to transport and store. Alpcour Portable Sink is a great companion for camping trips, outdoor adventures, or even as an emergency hand-washing station. It's a freestanding sink that provides running water without needing to be connected to a plumbing system. Penspark easy to use and portable, the sink has a simple design and folds up for easy transport and storage. It comes with a carrying bag for added convenience. 17L freshwater capacity. The built-in fresh water tank provides enough water for multiple hand-washing sessions or light dishwashing. Foot pump operated faucet. A hands-free foot pump dispenses water from the tank, eliminating the need to touch a faucet handle, which is more hygienic. Soap dispenser. A built-in soap dispenser allows for easy access to soap for hand washing. AroundFire is a company that specializes in creating portable fire pit tables that double as grills. Their aim is to make grilling portable and gatherings around fire more enjoyable. AroundFire table. Large enough to seat up to 8 people for comfortable outdoor dining. Fire pit. A central fire pit allows for enjoying the warmth and ambience of a campfire. Grill. A grill grate can be placed over the fire pit for grilling food. The AroundFire fire pit table is designed to be portable and easy to use. It has features like folding legs. These allow for quick setup and disassembly of the table. Removable fire mesh. The fire mesh basket can be used with charcoal, wood, or pellets for a variety of fire options. Shoal Tent is a unique and innovative tent designed for camping on water. It's essentially an inflatable floating raft with a tent topper that allows you to sleep out on the water. Imagine sleeping under the stars, lulled by the gentle rocking of the water. Inflatable design. The tent is made of durable PVC material and inflates to create a floating platform. Tent topper. The inflatable topper provides a covered shelter with plenty of headroom. Easy setup. The Shoal Tent is easy to set up with no need for tent poles. Simply inflate the chambers and you're ready to go. Water resistant. The tent fabric is water resistant to protect you from rain and moisture. Portable. The tent deflates and packs down into a duffel bag for easy transport and storage, recommended for calm waters. The Shoal Tent is best suited for use on calm or slow. Crua Modus is a 6-in-1 all-in-one camping system designed to be a convenient and comfortable shelter for outdoor adventures. It functions as a Tent. The core component is a tent with a waterproof fly sheet for protection from the elements. Sleeping bag. A built-in, insulated sleeping bag liner keeps you warm and cozy at night. Air mattress. An inflatable mattress provides a comfortable sleeping surface. Hammock. The hammock mode allows you to relax and enjoy the outdoors during the day. Porch. An awning attachment creates a shaded porch area for lounging or gear storage. Picnic blanket. The tent can be unfolded and used as a picnic blanket for outdoor dining versatility. The 6-in-1 design offers multiple functionalities in one unit. NASH Indulgence Heated Blanket is an electric blanket designed to provide warmth and comfort to anglers while night fishing. It is compatible with NASH Indulgence sleep system frames and is powered by any power pack with a cigarette lighter output. Mode 1, timed heating, fast warm-up followed by a gradual decrease in heat over a 2-hour period before automatically switching off. Mode 2, rapid heating, continuously heats the blanket at 35 watts. Mode 3, sleeping mode high, continuously heats the blanket at 31 watts. Mode 4, sleeping mode low, continuously heats the blanket at 29 watts. The blanket is made from a fleece material and is fitted with elasticated straps and toggles for secure attachment to your NASH Indulgence sleep system. Isabella Camplet Passion is a trailer tent designed for comfortable family camping trips. It offers a perfect blend of convenience, space, and functionality. Here's a breakdown of its key features. Ideal for families, with a spacious interior of around 18 square meters, 194 square feet, the Camplet Passion comfortably sleeps a family of 4. Expandable. If you need more sleeping space, annexes can be attached on both sides of the tent, potentially accommodating up to 8 people. Quick setup. Unlike traditional trailer tents, the Camplet Passion boasts a faster setup process. While specific details aren't available, it's designed to be more convenient than conventional options. Modern design. The Camplet Passion features a fresh and modern design with a Nordic color scheme. Giga Pump 4.0 is a portable air pump that can be used to inflate and deflate a variety of inflatables, such as pool floats, air mattresses, and camping pads. It is also equipped with a camping lantern, inflates up to 4.2 kilopascals, 0.6 psi. Deflates for easy storage. 3 brightness levels for the camping lantern. Rechargeable battery with up to 35 hours of lighting time. Compact and lightweight design, 1.9 by 1.7 by 2.3 inches, 3.5 ounces. How often will you be using it? If you only plan on using it occasionally, a more basic pump may be sufficient. What size inflatables do you need to inflate? The Giga Pump 4.0 can inflate most air mattresses and pool floats, but it may not be strong enough for larger inflatables. THECATAL SMART SHELL is a car camping tent designed to be used with the rear of your vehicle. It's basically a tailgate tent with some innovative features that make car camping more convenient and comfortable. Here's what we know about the THECATAL SMART SHELL based on the information available online. All-weather tent, suitable for both electric and gas vehicles. YouTube video about Smart Shell, invalid URL removed. Unique linking system, bypasses the exhaust pipe, preventing fumes from entering the tent. YouTube video about Smart Shell, invalid URL removed. Connects to car's AEC, allows you to use your car's air conditioning to cool the tent. THECATAL website. THECATAL trailer. Possible misinterpretation. It's possible there might be confusion with the THECATAL Smart Shell, which is a car camping tent designed for the back of your vehicle. YouTube video. There's a YouTube video titled The THECATAL Trailer, Your Tent with Garage. YouTube video about THECATAL Trailer.